Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today's Friday, April 28th, 2017, and we're doing the business headline news commentary. The news that just came out is that not really news, because we have the pre-GDP release before, is that the US first quarterly growth was 0.7% for the GDP growth. That's kind of even though on the headline shows that may be bad news, but it's good news because we already know we need to kickstart higher GDP growth, as the president has said and initiated with the tax cut proposals to mainly to 15% and so forth like that. So that's not bad. That's not bad. So we know we need to kickstart the GDP. So we already know that we need to help the GDP growth and stuff like that. So the reaction has been mainly positive. The futures has been up a little bit. I will see again because of the proposals for tax cut is generally a good bump for these indexes. Even the oil is going up. That's not bad. All right, so we see a lot of the headlines. Yeah, I mean the thing about these virtual products, virtual reality products, it's been done before by Nintendo in the late 1990s. If it was a actually good thing to do, Nintendo would have continued developing virtual reality, but they didn't do it. So it's basically a lot of these products are just rehashing on the same old storyline that Nintendo did in the 1990s. First of all, they realized, oh, it looks cool on picture, like somebody wearing something. And then they realized when they in practice and they had to wear it for a long time, it's like, oh my God, it's like I'm having breakouts because you sweat in it and the bacteria builds up. It's not good for your face. And then the second realization is that, wait a minute, I can watch the same thing on a big screen TV without having to wear this thing. And that's the same storyline that Nintendo had. So this is the realization to come with these virtual reality products. Okay, Qualcomm and Apple are in litigation about royalties. Qualcomm has a lot of patents in telecommunication, so they're very good with that stuff. Amazon. This is the company that can control its balance sheet because they sell so much. So that's not bad. Yeah, and seems like Amazon is rocketing to very high prices now. All right, let's go to Bloomberg. It says again the U.S. economy expanded to the slowest pace in 3 years. Exactly, that's the whole point of the tax cut proposal. Is to kickstart it to somewhere around like maybe 2.8 to 3% growth. I mean, we are in agreement now that we need to kickstart the GDP of the United States. So that's a good, omen or whatever perspective about the tax cut proposals. You need to kickstart the GDP. Again, the United Airlines trying to get raise his image, and this is also a little bit of marketing. They in reality, very few people will ever gonna get 10 grand. It's just a marketing ploy to say, yo, I'm gonna, fly this thing hoping to get bump and try to get 10K. You're not gonna get 10K in reality. This is just, something of a marketing ploy to get people back on the plane, for their airlines. All right. Wall Street Journal. Um, so see the U.S. Slightly going up, and probably see a good bump. Um, Yen has some action because it was in the news. Crude oil remains below $50. That's not bad. All right, I guess today's Friday, the end of the week, and it's 80 degrees outside in New York City. Not bad, not bad. Um, all right, so today's Friday, April 28th, 2017. Again, I have Indian followers and also Chinese business followers, which I mentioned before. Chinese business followers that got noted my opinions went to buy the robotics firm in Germany. When I put out my music video remix on supercars that uses a lot of robotics footage. Yeah, so that's that, and happy trading, everybody. And hopefully today is a good day to trade with good news from Amazon and also, from other companies like Google. Both have a stupendous and spectacular earnings report yesterday. Going up to at least like 2 or 3%. That's not bad. It's good news for the whole economy because they're selling a lot of good stuff. That means people are buying good stuff. All right, so good luck with that and have a nice day trading.